Hey guys, what's up? It's Giuseppe, and today I just want to go over a quick thing that a lot of people, can make a mistake on, and it's a super normal thing to make a mistake on, but it's updating your plugins. Now, normally it's not a big deal. Your plugins don't matter. It's like, they're usually good for like a couple months at a time, but every now and then you're going to log into a website that you haven't seen in a while, like what I'm doing now. And you're going to have to update your plugins, and it's usually not a big deal, but when it goes wrong, it goes really wrong. Okay. By the way, if you found this, thank you. Please watch to the end. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. I'd appreciate you so much. Okay, let's get into it. So before you do any updates, okay, you're going to need one free tool, and it's called UpdraftPlus. Okay. You go to plugins, you go add plugin right here. You just type in Updraft and search. Click enter, search it. You're going to click this, and then it's going to ask you to activate it. Okay. When it comes to activating it, just follow the simple process. You don't need to save it to your personal drive. It's going to ask you some stuff. Ignore it, click through, click all the easiest buttons, go through it. Now, once you have Updraft updated, before you do any updates to your website, you're going to come in here, you're going to click backup restore. You can see I have a bunch in here, obviously way too many. I'm going to back up now, right here, but no files have been saved. So I'm going to include all of them. We're just going to do a full backup. Okay. We have backups, but the thing is, what happens here is you go in, you're like, oh, I'll just do a simple backup. No big deal. Well, what if something changed? Now, I've seen this happen where you'll go in, you press that backup button, and then all of a sudden your homepage doesn't load, or it loads broken. And now your whole day is booked. You're going to be immediately booked. You're going to be immediately busy. You know why? Because you're not going to be able to do or think about anything else until you get that solved. Because you're going to have a client come up and talk to you, say, hey, why isn't it working? What's going on? And you know what you're going to say? I don't know. I'll get to it when I can. And that client is going to dump your ass. They're going to dump your ass. So I'm going to delete these extra ones that I don't think I really need, because they're just database saves. And clean that up. Okay. So now, oh, and there's another thing you can download too. It's going to be just like a cache clearing, which is always super. Okay, here you go. Backups removed, local files deleted. So now we have a couple April 22nd. We have a May 12th. We're great. Now let's confirm, right now when we go to visit the site, it looks normal. And what we're also going to do is you're also going to visit it on an incognito site. Okay. Because sometimes it'll lie to you. We don't like liars. Okay. No liars here. So you got to check. You got to make sure you got to keep them honest. Okay. And I'll show you this. Oh, it doesn't show you, but just trust me. I went into an incognito. It looks fine. Let's go back here. Now that you've backed it up and you're safe and you've covered your bases, now you may update. And you can update in bulk. I go here, update, apply. Now, you're going to want to click out of here. Don't click out of here, okay? Your job is to wait this out. I know, it's taxing, it's a lot, it's difficult. I believe in you. If you've stayed this long, you're a legend. Thank you so much. Thank you. Drop a like, drop a comment. Please comment. Let me know if this has helped you at all. Let me know if there's something you need to learn about. And this is it. So you can see now cadence blocks, rank math, real simple security, Sidekick by Google, site mailer. It's all happening. It's all up to date. Okay. Now, just go back here. We're going to refresh it. Looks okay. And I'm going to open up an incognito window, which you can't see. I'll see if I can just switch this over actually. Image slideshow. This is kind of like more difficult than I thought it was going to be, so I'm going to leave it. Yeah, that didn't really work out the way I wanted it to, but it works. And just to make sure it works, we're also going to come into here and we're going to click Purge All. Now you're probably wondering, that wasn't part of the process. What are you doing? And you're right. What this is it's a purging function. And what it does is it kind of scrapes and cleans everything off. So you're kind of starting from fresh. You are starting from fresh. And there's a bunch of these. I like Lightspeed Cache. It's a simple one. It's not super crazy. So you come into here, you go into plugins, search plugins. You can type in any cache. Oh, add plugin. Cache. Lightspeed Cache, W3 Total Cache, WP Fastest Cache. They're all good. 7 million active installations though. I mean, it's the winner. It's the obvious winner. So download this. Before you get into anything, you download this. And then you open up your website again. You refresh it and you pray. Just pray. I don't know. The internet gods, please. Yeah, worked out okay. And then you crack an Incognito window. You do the same thing. Yeah. Trust me, you can't see it. Feel free to visit my website at zeoadvertising.com. I'm still building it up. It was another one. It used to be oofdigital.co. I had to change it. It was due. Change happens, baby. You got to be ready for it. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did stay to the end, like I said twice before, you are an absolute legend. Thank you so much. This was how to properly update your website without smashing it into pieces, because trust me, it happens all the time. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the box below. I'll probably put some links down there just to make sure. And you can see here, look, now Sidekick isn't set up properly. So now I got to go into this, right? But we've done it properly. We can always back it up. If it's a bigger issue, you can go right here. You go into backup and restore. You say, actually, this is going to involve too much work. You click this one and you click restore. You're like, hey, you know what? I did a backup. I did an update. It actually is too much work for me right now. I need to get out of this. I need to come back to this on another day when I have more time to like deal with whatever kind of issues came up. Fine. Come back, restore the last version. Come back to this when you can, when you have time. You gotta treat yourself good, baby. You gotta treat yourself good. You deserve. No headaches today, okay? No headaches. Thank you, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your time. See you guys later. Oh, I think that subscribe, like, follow next video, something like that. Cheers, guys.